Is your PS5 fan getting really loud while you're playing games? Before you worry that your console is broken, try these easy fixes first. I'll show you what causes a noisy PS5 fan and what you can do to make it quieter. The first thing to check is where your PS5 is placed. The console needs enough airflow to remove heat. If it's inside a closed cabinet, pushed against a wall, or sitting on a soft surface, the fan may need to work much harder. So, for example, if this PS5 was in a contained space like a shelf, I'm going to use this cardboard box to demonstrate for the purposes of this video. But if it was actually something like that in a cabinet, like that, and pushed against the wall or something, then there's not enough airflow. So let me go ahead and show you where the fan is located. The fan is actually located on the top portion of the PS5, and the vents are right here, but it's also all along the sides. As you can see right here, there's some openings, and I'm actually going to go ahead and take it off. So I made another video about how to take off the case. If you haven't seen that, please go ahead and search. And I'm going to flip this around. Okay, so this circular piece is the fan, and this is where it gets really noisy. And so if you have it within a cabinet or on the rug, for example, then it can, because the rug is an insulator, so it will heat up the PS5. So for demonstration purposes, pretend this cardboard box is a cabinet shelf or something like that. So if you're like enclosed off, like if the PS5 is enclosed off, then no airflow gets through, and that's part of the reason why the fan may need to work harder. So try giving your PS5 more space around the sides and back to see if the fan noise improves. Oftentimes, it's better to leave it vertically standing and have this space open. Now, Sony says to leave 10 centimeters or 4 inches all around the vent area, and that's including the back. So don't cover up the back part. Now, dust is another common reason PS5 fans get loud. When dust blocks airflow, the console has to increase fan speed to keep temperatures under control. So if you look at the sides on the back, you'll see that there's some dust. I already gave it a good cleaning, but you can still see actually there's spider webs on the inside. And so what I recommend is to get a duster, first clean it, and then what Sony recommends is to get a small vacuum and to start sucking out some of the dust. Like so. You want to go in between the vents, but as you'll notice, most of these nozzles aren't small enough, to actually fit inside. So then what you would want to do is get a hard, somewhat medium hardness bristled brush and start cleaning it, and especially get like those, like the spider webs out. Now you're gonna have to clean the brush after, but yes, go ahead and give it a nice cleaning. Okay, so you want to clean the vents out. And once you open up the PS5, then we're going to want to also clean around the fan, like so. And these kind of suck up the dust, so I like these a lot. Be gentle when you're moving around the PS5, and go ahead and just give it a nice clean. Now, one thing when you're cleaning, avoid pushing dust deeper into the console for regular maintenance. Keeping the outside vents clean can help the PS5 cool more efficiently. So some parts are a little bit harder to reach. I don't know if you can see that dust come out, but you have to just go through each vent and then get it out. Oh, you see? Okay, so this is why what I'm talking about. And get this all out. I'll make sure you don't get it into like any of these slots, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna just move forward, and we're getting it all out. So do the same at home. Earlier, I mentioned if it's on the carpet and it's also a hot day, then that could also affect why your fan is working harder. So you can't control the temperature, but what you could do is take it off the carpet and make it stand vertically, like so. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you another solution option, and do it on your own risk. And I got to say this before you try this, is to use a blow dryer. Now, you need a pink Panasonic one just like this. I'm just kidding. You don't need it to be pink. But what you do need, and I'll say this again, you need to make sure it's on cool air, not hot air. Okay, so you want it to be on cool air. And when you do decide to blow, it's best to keep it standing like this and have nothing blocking the back or the sides on both sides. And then to blow gently, and you don't want it too close. You don't want to put it like this. You want it like this, and then you want like just to keep like maybe a few inches away, and then to just kind of like try to blow gently. Now, I don't think you need to do this if it's only like a year or two old, but if you've never cleaned it before, or depending on your house or your, if it's in the warehouse or something. Now, I'm going to demonstrate and make sure, like once I'll say this again, make sure it's on cool air, not hot, okay? Okay, so I have it on cool air now, and I'm gonna go ahead and blow. Wow, I don't know if you can see, but there's so much dust coming out. And it's getting my whole house dusty now. Okay, you probably couldn't see, but trust me, there was a lot of dust that just was flying everywhere. Spider webs and stuff like that, like clumps. Now I'm gonna do it from this side. This is gonna give me a lot of allergies. So you might wanna make sure you're in a good space. Don't get your mom or spouse upset with all the dust that's gonna be flying everywhere. Okay? So, yep, I think that's a great tip. Although Sony doesn't tell you to do that. It's afraid that you're gonna use the hot air and ruin the PS5. So after you clean the inside and the fan, you could go ahead and put the pieces back on. If you don't know how to do that, I made another video just about that, to how to take off and put back on safely. Now you can go ahead and plug it back in and turn it back on, and hopefully the fan noise will get lower. Also, if your PS5 gets loud during demanding games, this may actually be normal. So games with high graphic settings, high frame rates, or ray tracing can make the system work harder. So the important thing is whether the fan stays extremely loud all the time or only increases during the heavy games. So I hope this video helps solve your fan issues with your PS5. If it does, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing. If you have some other issues with PS5, then please check out the other videos I've made. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.